Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I wanted to give you guys a little at-home eyebrow tinting tutorial. I am using the GODEFROY, I think that's what it's called, GODEFROY tint kit, and I'm using it in the shade dark brown. I picked this up on Amazon and I think it was like under 20 bucks. You get 20 pre-measured color capsules, so you get to use this kit 20 times. So in the kit, you get a little measuring cup and you get some developer, you get the 20 capsules, and you also get a little eyebrow angled brush. So what you do, it says you want to mix the developer in equal parts with the capsule. So I'm going to break open the capsule and I'm just going to wing this. It says you can use like 1/4 of a teaspoon, but I'm just going to put about that much in. Taking a Q-tip, I'm just going to start mixing. You want it just to have like a good consistency. You definitely could measure this out if you want, but I'm not. This is what it looks like. It's like a nice paste. So let me show you guys a little bit before. This is what my eyebrows look like. I have had them tinted about 2 months ago, and I feel like they're not all the way faded, but they're definitely faded a lot. So this is what they look like beforehand. My little angled brush, and I'm just going to shape them like I would normally fill in my brows. That's just one little coat. You can already tell it's a little bit different. You want to make sure that you clean your brush off because you want to make it last as long as you can. If you do not, then it's going to dry and harden, and then you're going to just ruin your brush. If you feel like you got it above your eyebrow line, you can just take a clean Q-tip and clean up anywhere. But this is what it looks like with the tint on. Okay, now that that is applied, I look a little crazy because it's really dark, but you want to wait 10 minutes. And on the box it says to wait only 2 to 3 minutes, but I like my eyebrows pretty dark because throughout that time period they start to fade because you wash your face, and I just want to make sure that they are as dark as they can just so it's easier for when I fill them in. But this product is really nice. It doesn't give my skin a reaction, and it holds up pretty well. So I got it on Amazon if you guys are looking to go buy some, and I have a lot left over. Like, I barely used the whole thing, which kind of sucks. I wish it kind of would have been smaller sizes so that you can get like maybe 40 uses instead of 20. But I mean, it was only under $20, and you get 20 applications with this, so that's also really good. Okay, so I wanted to jump back on here and show you guys what it looks like while it's processing. It is like a pretty black shade, which I do not mind. I would not mind if they were this dark all the time. But I have 24 seconds left, and I just want to give you guys a little quick update. It may be a little bit intimidating at first if you guys are not used to tinting your eyebrows, but once we wipe it off, it's going to be a lot less harsh because they kind of look like really painted on right now. But I will show you guys. The timer is about to go off. Alright, so you can remove this with a makeup wipe or anything. I'm just going to use a toner. I feel like it'll be pretty easy to come off that way. And I'm just going to take a cotton ball. And I'm sure I'm going to be taking off my foundation as well. But let me give you guys a zoom in. This is what they look like. I really like the results. My foundation is like all jacked up, so don't mind that. But as you guys can tell, it is not a scary difference. Like, I just have my eyebrows filled in, which that is the goal. It helps getting ready in the morning, and it kind of gives you like a guideline for what you need to trace in the morning. This is such a nice at-home service that you can do in 10 minutes, and it just makes you feel so much better. This will last a decent amount. I could say like about a good month. It lasts on my eyebrows. I mean, throughout the time it does get a little bit less dark, but that's fine. Then I know when it's time to touch up again. But for less than $20, it is such a good investment. And I got this on Amazon. I will link it down below. But if you guys like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one.